We're going to show you the basics of using TikTok, such as how to navigate the homepage, view and create videos, add sound and effects, and create duets and reaction videos. Use the clickable sections below to skip to different parts of this tutorial. The first thing you'll see upon opening the TikTok app is a feed of videos. Swipe up to continue through your feed and see more content. The TikTok homepage is split into two sections. Following allows you to see videos from users you follow, and For You, which shows popular videos from across TikTok, and videos that the app predicts you will enjoy based on your viewing behaviour. Swipe left and right to switch between the feeds. You'll know which feed you're on because the title will be bold. Tap the magnifying glass at the bottom here to find what's trending. This is where the latest viral trends are found. Tap the Message tab here to go to your inbox, where you'll find notifications of followers, mentions, likes and comments on your videos, and notifications about people you follow. You can also access direct messages with users here. Tap this tab to find your personal TikTok profile, where you can also edit your profile and bio. Here is your TikTok code. The barcode is something you can show other users and have them follow you with one tap. To create a TikTok video, press on the plus sign icon in the menu bar. Doing so will open up your camera and all of the features available to use within your video. TikTok videos can go up to 3 minutes in length. You can slow down or speed up your video, add effects, and record and stitch together multiple clips. Tap Sounds here to add music to your video. TikTok has a vast library to find music. Click on the track you want to add to your video. Tap the Volume tab here to adjust the volume of your music and original audio. Once you create your video, there are even more effects at your disposal. You can trim your video as you want, add transition effects for between video clips, and add stickers and text. Click the arrow here to go to the post screen. You can add hashtags and friend mentions and also choose whether you want the post to be public, private, or visible to friends only. Click Post to post your video. If you want to see more information about the account that posted each video, you can either click on the username or this icon to follow the user. You can also swipe to the left on the video to pull up the account's profile page. Clicking on a username will bring you to the account profile page. Here, you're able to view all the videos posted by the user in a single feed and check out the user's other social accounts. In order to create a duet or reaction video, click on the arrow that appears on any TikTok video. If the user has enabled duets and reaction videos, you'll find the options in the menu that pops up. Duet allows users to add to already existing videos and add their own commentary and effects.